Hello, my name is Tanay Tiwari and welcome to Buzz This Week, a show that is here on Holi as well. Because we knew COVID protocols के चलते आपकी होली थोड़ी सी फीकी होगी, तो हमने कहा क्रिकेट न्यूज़ है, मीम्स हैं, बेनिफिट कर सकते हैं. On the show this week, India versus England, ODIs deliver on promise. IPL 2021 draws closer and Team India craves improvements. In a tour this long between India and England, there were stories galore. From that spectacular Test series win for India to spectacular debuts for India in the T20I series, Suryakumar Yadav and Ishan Kishan. But the one story that caught everyone's eye last week and perhaps moistened them a little as well was that of Krunal Pandya making his ODI debut. He raced to the fastest ODI half-century for any batsman on debut, and then the celebrations that happened culminated into pictures that personified success, sacrifice and struggle. There he was paying tribute to his late father who he'd lost just a couple of months back, and on the other side of the boundary was applauding another member from the Pandya family, his younger brother. Those two have worked so hard to get here, and when they get success, these are the kind of stories that fill your heart. These are the kind of human stories that make sport so great to watch. And Twitter was all hearts. But then there was another Indian debutant, another Indian fast bowler. This Indian team is making more debutants, producing more debutants than Instagram influencers produce reels. Prasidh Krishna was impressive on debut. So impressive that the legend Mr. Sunil Gavaskar at one point in commentary said he should be fast-tracked to red ball cricket. That is a big compliment to have. And while Ben Stokes and Johnny Bairstow did give India a scare in that second ODI, ye Indian team haar nahi manti. What did they do? What they do the best? Came back in style to win the ODI series as well. 2-1, beating England in the third ODI और पूरा clean sweep करके चले गए. क्या आप कभी शादी के घर में गए हैं या रहे हैं? That festivity, just that air around is so infectious, right? It's so cool. All the IPL teams right now are feeling quite similarly. Chennai Super Kings, who had a torrid season in 2020, are prepping again for IPL 2021. And their troubles might just be at bay because enter Chinnathala. But he wasn't the only star to enter the Chennai bubble, as Ravindra Jadeja, who injured himself during the Sydney Test, is back, fit and seems raring to go. But the CSK are yet to announce who will be MS Dhoni's deputy. Suresh Raina is in the bio bubble, but he's not been named as their vice captain yet. While it's all happiness for the Chennai Super Kings, the Delhi Capitals are a little upset. Their captain Shreyas Iyer suffered a shoulder injury during the first India vs England ODI and is now out of that ODI series as well as all of IPL. And that is a big blow for the Delhi Capitals. And the big boys are back in the KKR camp as well. Sunil Narine and Andre Russell have made their way inside the bio bubble. लग रहा है ना festive. ऐसा ही तो होता है शादी का घर एकदम. It's like all the cousins are assembling for the celebrations to begin, and the celebrations are, well, not far off. Team India lost both their white ball assignments against South Africa in Lucknow, and while congratulations are in order for the South African team, Team India's dissection of their performances will show you that they were below par in perhaps all departments. And the head coach W.V. Raman did not mince any words, as he said that Team India wasn't prepared for this assignment at all and they will have to start from a scratch with proper camps to bring them back up to speed to play international cricket. And he makes so much sense, because the last time Team India played any international cricket before this was in the T20 World Cup final last year. Between then and now, they've only played a few games in the Women's T20 Challenge, which means their skills are not up to the mark, perhaps their fitness as well. Could the organizers have done anything better? Could they have scheduled it better? Could they have had more camps in the build-up? You can tell us using #BuzzThisWeek on Twitter. Before we leave, we've got to wish the Master Blaster a very speedy recovery because he announced on his Twitter account that he's contracted COVID-19 and is undergoing treatment as we speak. Twitter world was filled with messages for him. Your Buzz challenge for this week is to give us one debut performance that impressed you the most in the last 6 months. Because we've seen so many debuts across formats for India, which one of them impressed you the most? I'm going to give you mine. I thought about it a lot. Washington Sundar was very good. I liked T. Natarajan as well on his test debut, but my vote has to go to Surya Kumar Yadav because one, I'm just a big fan, and two, the way he came up and owned the stage shows that he belongs. What are yours? You can tell us using #BuzzThisWeek, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. अब तो मैं रोज बोलता हूँ. बता दो. कहीं भी भेजो ज़रूर. That's all that we have for you on this episode of Buzz This Week. Until next week, wish you and yours a very happy Holi. Stay safe. होली खेलो, लेकिन मास्क पहन के रखो.